In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook search not working. If your Outlook search is coming up empty or missing emails you know are there, the most reliable fix is to rebuild the Windows search index and make sure Outlook is actually included in that index. I'll walk you through it clearly and explain what each step does so you know what to expect. First, close Outlook completely. Don't just minimize it. Make sure it's not running in the background by checking your taskbar and system tray. Closing Outlook prevents any conflicts while Windows rebuilds the index that powers search. Next, open the control panel on your PC. You can do this by pressing the Windows key, typing Control Panel, and opening it from the results. In the control panel, use the search box in the top right to look for indexing options. Open indexing options when it appears. This window shows you what Windows is indexing and how many items have been processed. In the indexing options window, click the Advanced button. In the Advanced settings, look for the Troubleshooting section and select Rebuild. Confirm that you want to rebuild the index. What this does is clear the existing index and start fresh, prompting Windows to recatalog your files, emails, and other content. Depending on the size of your mailbox and the speed of your computer, this can take a while. It's normal for search results to be incomplete during the rebuild, so give it time to finish. Keeping your computer plugged in and awake will help it complete faster. Before you close anything, let's make sure Outlook is actually included in the index. Go back to the main indexing options window and click Modify. In the list of locations, find Microsoft Outlook and make sure it's checked. If it isn't, check it now and click OK. This ensures Windows Search knows to include your Outlook emails and calendar items in the index. Once the rebuild starts, you can leave the indexing options window open to watch the progress, or simply let it run in the background. When indexing is complete, open Outlook again and give search a try. You should see results become more accurate and complete as the index finishes rebuilding. If you have a very large mailbox, it may continue improving over time as more items are indexed. Patience here really pays off. That's it. Thanks for watching.